Good morning student. Today I am going to explain exercise 16.3. First question, find the median of the following data. Here data given 3, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. So arrange the given data in ascending order. Given data is 5, 6, 3, 4 and 5. So arrange in ascending order. Arranging in ascending order. 1, 3, 3, 2 time 3, so 3, 3, 4, 1 time, 5, 1, 2 time, 1, 2 time and 6, 1 time. So first of all arrange the given data in ascending order. After that count the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means n equal to 7. Number of terms is 7. 7 is odd. Median find करने के लिए two formula है for even number and for odd number of data. So for odd number of data median is equal to n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 by 2th term. That means n is 7. So 7 plus 1 divide by 2. 2th term. So 7 plus 1 8. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 that means 4th term. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th means this one. 4th term is 4. So median is 4. Median means middle observation. Middle observation. That means 1, 2, 3 observation from left side, 1, 2, 3 right side. The middle observation is median. But in second part, number of terms given even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 3, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. First step is same. Arrange the given data in ascending order. Ascending order, so first of all minimum value less than 1. After that 3. 1 and 2 time 3. 3 and 3. Now see 4. 1 time 4. 5. 1. 2 time 5. So 5. 5. 6. 1, 2. 2 times 6. 1, 2, 6. So count the number of term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. n is number of term is even. Even के लिए median find करने के लिए different formula. Median is equal to n by 2. n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1. n by 2 plus 1th term. Divide by whole divide by 2. So put n is 8. So 8 by 2. n by 2th term plus n by 2, that means 8 by 2 plus 1. 1th term whole divide by 2. Divide by 2. That means 8 divided by 2 4th term. 4th term plus 8 divided by 2 4 plus 1 5. So 5th term divide by 2. So 4th term, see here 4th term 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4th term and this one is 5th term. That means middle 2 value. जब भी even number of term होगी तो middle में 2 values आएंगी 4 and 5 here. So 4th term is 4th and the 5th term is 5. So 4 plus 5 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. मीडियन के लिए 2 फॉर्मूला ही है, इवन के लिए एंड ऑड के लिए. फर्स्ट है ऑड, सो n प्लस 1 बाई 2th टर्म, एंड सेकेंड वन है नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज इवन, देन फॉर्मूला ऑफ मीडियन n बाई 2th टर्म प्लस n बाई 2 प्लस 1th टर्म डिवाइड बाई 2. दैट मीन्स मिडिल में 2 वैल्यू, जब भी नंबर ऑफ टर्म ऑड होगी तो मिडिल वन वाला पिक करना आपको ईजी होगा, मिडिल वैल्यू निकालनी है. मीडियन मीन्स मिडिल वैल्यू. बट आफ्टर अरेंजिंग द डेटा इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग, दोनों में से किसी में भी अरेंज कर सकता है, इधर इन असेंडिंग और इन डिसेंडिंग. तो मिडिल जो 2 वैल्यूज है उनको ऐड करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है. और यहाँ जब भी ऑड होगा तो मिडिल वैल्यू ही होगी उसकी मीडियन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द मोड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेटा. मोड कैलकुलेट करने के लिए सेकेंड क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पार्ट 3 1 5 6 3 4 5 3. So same process, arrange in ascending order. 1, after that 1 2 times 3 3 3, after that 4 5 1 2 times 5 1 2 times 5, and then 6. Count the number of term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One number is left. Which one? One is 1 time 3. 1 2 3 times 3, not 2 times, 3 times 2. 3 times 3. 1 3 3 3 4 5 5 and 6. Mode is 3 occurs more number of times. 1 1 time, 3 3 times, 4 1 time, 5 2 times and 6 1 time. दैट मीन्स मोड क्या होगा, जो भी नंबर जितने नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आ रहा है, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. दैट मीन्स हियर 3 ऑकर्स मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. सो मोड इज 3. And the second question, second part is marks obtained and number of student. 15 marks obtained by number of students 6. 17 marks obtained, number of students 17, 20, 12, 22, 18 and 25, 13. So here frequency means कितने number of times आ रहा है. So maximum frequency here is 18. 22 marks 18 students के आए हैं. That means 18 students को 22 marks मिले हैं. So maximum frequency is 18. That's why here mode is 22. Here mode is 22 because maximum frequency here 18. That's why mode is 22. Third, find the median and the mode of the data. Third question, 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. See, arrange in ascending order. So minimum value here is 12. So 12, how many times 12 comes? 1, 2, 2 times 12. Then 13, 1, 2 times 13, 13 and 13. 14, how many times 14? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 14. 1, 2, 3 times 14. After that 14, 15, no, 16. 16, 1 time 16. 17, no. 18, no. 19, 1 time 19. So count the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N equal to 9. 9 means odd. So find median. Formula of median, n by 2th term. That means when odd, then n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2. So n 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 divided by 2 fifth term. So here fifth term is count 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth term is 14. So here median is 14. And now calculate the mode. Which number comes maximum number of time? 12 2 time, 13 2 time, 14 3 times. So 14 occurs maximum number of time. That's why mode is 14. Mode is 14. Question number 4th. The score in mathematics test of 15 students is as follow. Find the mode and the median of data. Are they same? इसमें भी सेम वही है, आपको मीडियन एंड मोड कैलकुलेट करना है एंड एट लास्ट आपको बताना है कि मीडियन एंड मोड सेम है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th, राइट डाटा 19 25 23 29 20 15 10 5 16 25 20 24 12 and 20. See, so here minimum value is 5. So arrange in ascending order. 5, after that 9, after that 10. How many times 10? One time. One time 10. 11, 12. Yes, 12 one time. 13, 14, 15. Yes, 15. How many times? 15. See, 15 one time. Then 16 one time. 16 one time. Then 19 one time. 20. 1 2 3 and 4. 4 time 20. 1 2 3 4. 4 time 20. 23 one time. 23 one time. After that 24. 24 one time. 24 and 25 occurs 1 and 2 times 25. So write here 25 and 25. 25 2 times. So here mode, which number occurs maximum number of time? We see 20 occurs 4 times, maximum number of times. So 20 is mode and median. Median means mid value, number of terms, n equal to here 15. 15 means odd. So n plus 1 by 2th term. 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 2 8th term. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8th term is 20. And question is, are they same? Yes, they are same. Next question, 5th, also given 15 students weight in centimeter, weights in kg, and find the median and the mode of data, and is there more than one mode possible? Question number 5th. So same, arrange the given data in ascending order first of all, and then mode means which number occur maximum number of time is called their mode, and the median is count the number of terms first of all, because 15 given odd. 15 plus 1 divided by 2, that means 16 by 2. 8th term is there median. See, given data after arranging in ascending order, and question fifth first part is median. N is odd, so median 15 plus 1 by 2th term, 16 by 2 8th term, 8th term count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8th term is 40, so median is 40. And mode, which number occur maximum number of time. See, maximum number of time, so mode 32 one time, 35 one time, 36 1, 37 38 3 times, 41 time, 42 43 3 times, means 38 3 times and 43 also 3 times. That means two mode is there, 38 and 43. And our question is there more than one mode? Yes. Answer is second part, answer is yes. There are more than one mode. Question 6 and 7th are same. Find the mean, median, mode. Okay, so try this question number 6 and 7. Thank you.